Before starting any question, we should always ask ourselves, what do we know and how do we begin? Well, we know that our major axis has a 45-degree inclination. We also know that F1 is 31 millimeters from the center of our ellipse, and we know that our major diameter is 80 millimeters. We also know the position of P from the information we were given, so then we can move on to construct our ellipse. We know that half the major axis swung from a focal point gives us our minor axis, so we can use this principle to find our minor axis. We can then draw a rectangle around our axis ends as shown. We can use this construction to divide AE and AO into the same number of equal parts. We say 4 or 5 as an example. We then join points on AE to C and join D to the points on AO. So then the points where corresponding lines intersect are points on the curve. So here we'll take here like point 1 on AE up to C, that's a line, and then D through point 1 on AO, and where they intersect is a point on our curve. So then we'll repeat on all the other quadrants and we can form our ellipse. We also are given enough information to draw our circle. We can then use the vertex of our circle and the width of our ellipse to draw our parabola. We then draw our axis VU when we bisect our major axis. We divide PS and PU into the same number of equal parts. We then draw lines from each point on PS to V. We then draw lines through PU parallel to the axis UV to intersect our lines on step 10. These are points on our parabola. We will repeat on the other half so we can get our full, smooth parabola curve.